Good afternoon, all of you. Today we want to discuss common multiple and least common multiple. Okay, least common multiple we can use the word LCM. Okay, so LCM is least common multiple. So from the word itself it is clear what is common multiple. We can find out the common multiple of any two or more numbers. Suppose for one example, if we want to find out the common multiple of two numbers, that is 4 and 6. Okay, if we want to find out the common multiples of any two common multiples, so many common multiples will be there for some numbers. So here we want to find out the first two common multiples of 4 and 6. So for that, first we find out the multiples of that numbers. We can write at least 10 multiples. We know multiples of a numbers is not countable. It is so many multiples will be there for a number. So that is not possible to write. Okay, all multiples we can't write. So here we can write the at least 10 multiples. So here we are writing first multiple of 4. So that all of you know 4, first multiple 4, then 8, 12, 16, then 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, then 40. Just like we can write multiples of 6. Okay, first 10 multiples of 6 also we can write 6, 12, 18, then 24, then 30, 36, 42, then 48, 54, 60. Then here we are finding the common numbers, that is common multiple in these two numbers. So here when we check this, 4 is here, but here no 4. Then 8, no 8 in this multiples. 12, yeah, so we got 12 here, so that we can circle. This is one common multiple. Next, when we count 16, no 16, 20, no 24, yeah, 124 we got. So when we extend this, we will get some more multiples, some common multiples we will get. Okay, so in this 10 multiples we will get only this, I think 28, no 28, 32, no 36, yeah, one more we got 36 also, one common multiple. So here the question asked, we want to find out, write the first any two common multiples of 4 and 6. So last we can write therefore common multiples equal how much? Two numbers we got. One common multiple is 12 and another common multiple is 24 and 36 also. If it is asked two common multiple, only you need to write that first two common multiples. Okay, this is common multiples. That is very easy. All of we can find out the common multiples of any two numbers. Okay, some numbers there will not be any common multiple. Okay, such cases also there. So if we want to find out the common multiples of 5 and then any other number, suppose 8, sometimes we will get, otherwise 8 and 5 have common multiples. Okay, that's okay. Then some other numbers will be there if you want to find out the common multiples of 13 and another prime number 7. Sometimes we will not get a common multiple for them. Okay, such cases also there. So here for finding common multiple, first we list out the any 10 multiples of that two numbers. Okay, if you want to find out the common multiples of any 3 numbers, so again we will find out the third numbers multiples also, we will write like this. Then find out the common in 3. Okay, which numbers came as common in these 3 factors, 3 multiples, that only we will take as the common multiple. So next we want to discuss least common multiple, that is LCM. Okay, so in the same example, so I already rubbed it. In the same example, we got the common multiples as first common multiple we got 12. Next common multiple is 24. Next we got 36. Okay, that example we got these 3 common multiples. Out of that common multiples, which is the least one or the smallest one? 12. So that is the LCM. So LCM of 4 and 6. we find out the common multiples of 4 and 6. So that is least common multiple is we got 12. So that is the least common multiple or LCM. So this is a method of finding LCM of two or more numbers. We are listing some multiples of that two numbers, and we can find out the lowest common multiple from that will be the LCM of that numbers. Now other methods also there for finding least common multiple, that is LCM. Okay, so here is one step. So if we want to find out the LCM of any other two numbers, suppose we want to find out the common multiples of 5 and 6, not LCM of 5 and 6. Okay, LCM of 5 and 6 using this method by listing the multiples. So first we will find out the multiples of 5. Okay, so we can write all any 10 multiples, that is enough. Then 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Just like multiple of 6 also we can write, which 6, 12, 18, then 24, then 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Then out of this, which is the common multiples, we can find out any common multiples. Okay, common multiples we can write 5, no 5 here, 10, no 15, no 20, no 20s, 25, no 30. Yeah, here one common multiples have for both of them 30. After when we extend, we will any other numbers we got here 48, 54. In this 10 multiples we only got 30 as the common multiple. So what will be its LCM? We can write out the LCM also is the same, least common multiple is 30. Okay, if we find out one more common multiple, if we extend the multiples to some other numbers, if we are finding the multiples of 5 and 6, any 15 multiples if we find out, then that time also we will get one common multiple, so that will be greater than this 30. Okay, so the least common multiple is LCM. Now just like HCF, we can find LCM using another method also. Okay, one method we discussed in the case of HCF, which is that using prime factorization method. Okay, using prime factorization method we can find out the LCM of numbers. So here first, if you want to find out the LCM of two numbers, suppose if you want to find out the LCM of 84 and 96 using prime factorization method. If the method is specified, then we want to use that method itself. How we can find out the LCM of 84 and 96 using prime factorization? So prime factorization of a number we already know. Okay, so first we factorize that given number. Okay, when we are doing that, you will understand the steps. First we are factorizing the number 84 and 96. So these two prime we can divide 84 by 2, we will get 42, 42 divided by 2, 21, 21 by 2, 7. Okay, last we got a prime number, so we can stop there. And 96 also we can prime factorize with the least prime 2, it is divisible by 2, so we will get 48 again divided by 2, we will get 24, then 24 by 2, 12, 12 by 2, 6, 6 by 2, 3. Okay, now when we list these factors, okay, 84 we can write as the product of these prime numbers, 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Now 96 we can write it as how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then last one 3. Now here we factorize the given numbers. Now here we find out the common factors. When we find the HCF, how we find out using prime factorization? We will round the common factors. Just like here also, first we are finding the common factors in this. Okay, here, then another number or another common factors. Now another common factor also there. So this is only the common factors for this 84 and 96. So LCM we can write, it will be the product of these common factors and the factors other than common. Which are the factors other than common in this example? That is 7, 2 and another 2, then 3. Their product will be the LCM of these two numbers. So that means first we write the common factors. Which are the common factors? 1, 2, 3. 3 2's are there. So 2 into 2 into 2. So LCM equal. Multiply these common factors and after that we want to multiply. So this will be, in the case of HCF, we will find the product of only these common factors. So it's HCF will be what? 2 into 2 into 2. 4 into 2, 8 will be the answer. But in the case of LCM, we are multiplying that common factors other than common also. Which are the factors other than common? That this. So with this we are multiplying other numbers, other factors without common. So these are, this much numbers are there. Okay. So their product will be the LCM of these two numbers 84 and 96. Out of this, first here there will be here one mistake happened here. What will, when we prime factorize 84, please listen, when we prime factorize 84, 21, how we will divide by 2? That is not possible. 21 we are divided by 3. It is only possible. Okay, because 21 is an odd number. So here what will be the common? Here it is not 2. So instead of here 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, and here this will be 2. Now what is the common here? This is not common. So we want to write another common as 3. Here 3 is the other common factors. Okay, these are the common. 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, common factors this only. And factors other than common factors are which one? Instead of this 3 it will be 2. Okay, 3 2's and 7. So these are the common factors, and with this we are multiplying the common factors other than common. So 2 into 2 into 3, what their product we will get? How much? 672. 672. So this is the LCM of 84 and 96. Okay, understand? So first we are finding, just like when same method we use in the case of HCF also. In the case of when we find out the HCF of any two numbers, first we factorize that two numbers, and in that fact, after factorization we will write that numbers as the product of that factors, then find out the common factors. So in this case the common factors 2 into 2 into 3. So for finding LCM also we are using the same method, but after that finding common factors, we are, in the case of LCM, we are multiplying the common factors and also the factors other than common. Common factors allatha factors multiply cheyum. Okay, so in this case first we multiply 2 into 2 into 3. That are the common factors. So only one time only we will multiply this 2 into 2 into 3. Next, what is remaining here? 7 into 2 into 2 into 2. Their product will be the LCM of that two given numbers. Okay, this is one method of prime factorization. Next we are another method also there. Just like HCF, we can find out LCM using common division method. Okay, common division method. So for that one example, please listen how we can find out LCM of 2 or 3 numbers. We can find out 2 or 3 numbers using common division method. So for one example, we want to find out the LCM of 30, 48, 120. How we find out HCF using common division method? So we write down that numbers, putting comma, and we divide that full numbers. So in the case of HCF, we only take the prime number which is divisible by these 3 numbers. ഈ 3 നമ്പേഴ്സിനെ കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന നമ്പറേ ഉള്ളൂ നമ്മൾ HCFൻ്റെ കേസിൽ നമുക്ക് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുക. ബട്ട് ഇൻ ദ കേസ് ഓഫ് ഫൈൻഡിങ് LCM we can take any prime number which is divisible by at least one number. ഇതിൽ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു നമ്പറിനെ കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഒരു പ്രൈം ഫാക്ടർ കൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം in the case of LCM. So but here it is possible to divide all these with 2. We can take 2 as the common. So 2 is possible for dividing these. 30 by 2, 15, 48 by 2, 24, 120 by 2, 60. Again, is it possible by dividing by 2? That we are checking. 2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമോ? Here these 2 numbers are possible. But here 15 is not possible by dividing with 2. But when we can check, we can find out another prime factors. Okay, so which is divisible by these 3. That type also you can check. ഈ 3 നമ്പർ കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഏതെങ്കിലും പ്രൈം ഫാക്ടർ ഉണ്ടോ? That we can check. 3 is possible. So that also we can take it is possible by 3. 15 by 3, 5. 24 by 3, 8. 60 by 3, 20. Now you look, this number is possible by any common factors with these 3 numbers. Any common factors are there for these 3 numbers? No. So here we can take any other prime number which is divisible by at least 1 or 2 number. Here when we take these 2 numbers 8 and 20, that 2 numbers are divisible by 2. Okay, so we can divide this number by 2. So in that case 5 is not divisible by 2, that we know. So at that time we will write down this 5 to here, that one to care. Here 5 is not divisible by 2. So in such case we will write down that 5 just to here. After that next 8 divided by 2, 4. 20 divided by 2, 10. Again this we can divide by any other prime number. Here 4 and 10, it is divisible by 2. Okay, so again 5 is not divisible by 2, so we write down that number. Then 4 divided by 2, 2. 10 divided by 2, 5. Now you look here, these 2 numbers we can divide by another prime number 5. Okay, so next we can divide by 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. But 2 is not divisible by 5, so that time we will write that 2 as just 2. Bring down that 2. Next 5 divided by 5, 1. Okay, now last we got a prime number and only one prime number. Otherwise it is better to divide one more time with 2, because last we will make all the numbers with 1. Okay, so here already 1. This is 2 divided by 2, also 1. That also 1. This is not divisible by 2, so we just write down that number. Now the LCM will be what? LCM of these numbers. Therefore LCM of 30, 48, 120, that's equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 2. Okay, their product will be that. So when we multiply it is better, first we multiply 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 2, 20. 20 into 2, 40. 40 into 3, 120. 120 into 2, 240. Okay, so 240 is the LCM of 30, 48 to 120. Now when you check using this division method, common division method, when we find out the HCF, we can't do up to this. We will stop where? Okay, so here these 3 numbers are divisible by 2, so we can divide by 2. After that we got this number, then check this, can we divide by 3? The 3 numbers are possible. Okay, then we will get 5, 8 and 20. Now is it possible to divide all these number with any prime number? No, so we will stop there. Okay, we will stop that division here, and this also not up to this only we will do the division. Okay, and we will get the answer as HCF 2 into 3 only. 2 into 3, 6 only. But in the case of LCM, we can divide one prime number if it is divisible by at least one of this number. ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു നമ്പറിനെ കൊണ്ടെങ്കിലും ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നെങ്കിൽ നമുക്കതുകൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം ആ പ്രൈം ഫാക്ടറിനെ കൊണ്ട്. അത് ഇഫ് ഇറ്റ് the numbers which are not possible with the divide by that number, we will write down that number. 5 divided by 2, that is not we can't divide that number, so we just write down that number. Okay, it is not divisible by 2. 5 is not divisible by 2, so we just bring down that number to here. Just like here, 4, when we take the 5, again here 5, this 2 is not divisible by 5, so we bring down that number. So after that, find out the product of these full numbers, which is 240. So this is finding LCM using common division method. Okay, thank you.